What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We have this nice and beautiful question on the board that says 5 to the a plus 5 to the a is equal to 25, and we're told to look for the value of a. Now notice that 5 to the power of a is common, so we can factor out 5 to the power of a, open brackets. Now 5 to the power of a divided by 5 to the power of a is 1, plus 5 to the power of a divided by 5 to the power of a is 1. And this is equal to 25. Very good. Now this simplifies into 5 to the power of a times 1 plus 1 is 2. And this is equal to 25. So we can divide both sides by 2. So I divide the left hand side by 2 and divide the right hand side by 2. Now see that these 2 cancels out, leaving behind 5 to the power of a to be equal to 25 all over 2. Now our next step will be for us to take the log of both sides. So I'll take the log of the left, which is log 5 to the power of a, equal to, I'll also take the log of the right hand side, which is going to be log of 25 all over 2. Now, since the number on the left hand side is carrying a power, we're going to be applying the power law of logarithm that says when I have the log of x to the power of p, this can be written as p times log x. Now let's apply this to what we have here. So that means this expression can now be written as a log 5. And this is equal to log of 25 all over 2. Now to get the value of a, I just have to divide both sides by log 5. So I'll divide the left hand side by log 5. I'll also divide the right hand side by log 5. Now see that this log 5 cancels out this log 5, leaving behind a to be equal to the log of 25 over 2 all over the log of 5. Now look at the numerator. We're going to be applying the law of logarithm on the numerator that says when I have the log of, for example, a over b, this can be written as the log of a minus the log of b. That means this expression cannot be written as the log of 25 minus the log of 2 divided by log 5 on the denominator. Now our next step will be for us to separate the fraction. So we have a to be equal to the log of 25 divided by the common denominator, which is the log of 5, minus we have log 2 divided by the common denominator, log 5. So this becomes a to be equal to log 25. 25 is same as 5 squared all over log 5. Minus, we're going to be leaving this like this, which is log 2 over log 5. Now, we have the power law of logarithm that we're going to be applying here since this number is carrying a power. So we have a to be equal to, so this becomes 2 log 5 divided by log 5 minus, we'll write this the same way, log 2 divided by log 5. Now see that this log 5 cancels out, so we have a to be equal to 2 minus log 2 divided by log 5. Now lastly, we're going to be applying the law of logarithm that says when I have the log of a divided by the log of b, we apply the law of change of base, which says that this can be written as the log of a base b. So writing this in this form, we have a final answer to be equal to 2 minus the log of 2 base 5. And this is our final answer. Now let's verify. So let's verify. Now this is our given question. We're told that the left hand side gives 25 on the right hand side. So we're going to be substituting the value of a here to see if we're going to be having 25. So this is 5 to the power of a. A is 2 minus log 2 base 5 plus this is 5 to the power of a. A is 2 minus log 2 base 5. So this expression just has the law of indices that says when I have x to the power of m minus n, this can be written as x to the power of m divided by x to the power of n. Now let's write this the same way. So this will be 5 to the power of 2 divided by 5 to the power of log 2 base 5 plus, now we're going to be writing this the same way. This will be 5 to the power of 2 divided by 5 to the power of log 2 base 5. Now 5 squared is 25 all over. Now the denominator, you notice that the base here and the base here are the same. They are 5. So if we have something like this, we're going to take the number which is 2 as the result. So we're going to be taking 2 plus we have 5 squared to be 25 all over. The base here and the base here are the same, so the result will be 2. Good. So this becomes the common denominator, which is 2. We'll add the numerators, which is 25 plus 25. And this will result to 25 plus 25 is 50 divided by 2, which is 25. And this is equal to the right hand side. So our value for a equal to 2 minus log 2 base 5 is actually correct. Well, feel free to share your ideas in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and have learned something from this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And like I always say, until next time, take care.